Welcome to today's maths class. Now we have a problem where we have to find the value of 4 cos 20 minus root 3 cot 20. So now we will simplify this and we will write this cot 20 as cos 20 divided by sin 20. As we know that cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now we can write this as 2 into 2 cos 20, and here it is root 3 cos 20 divided by sin 20. Now we will take sin 20 as LCM, so it will become 2 into 2 cos 20 sin 20 minus root 3 cos 20. Now we know that 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So this expression 2 into 2 cos 20 sin 20 will be sin 2 into 20 degree minus root 3 cos 20 divided by sin 20. Now as this becomes sin 2 into 20 degree sin 40 degree, and we can write this root 3 as 2 into root 3 by 2, and cos 20 degree will be there divided by sin 20 in the denominator. Now 2 sin 40 will be as it is, and we will write this root 3 by 2 as sin 60 degree, and cos 20 degree will be there. Now we have an equation that 2 into sin A cos B is equals to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So we will apply this identity here, and it will be 2 sin 40 as it is minus 2 sin 60 cos 20. We will get this as sin 60 plus 20 plus sin 60 minus 20, and at the bottom there will be sin 20 remain as it is. So what we get, 2 sin 40 will be there minus sin 60 plus 20, it will be sin 80, and this plus sign will be multiplied with this minus sign, it will become minus, and it will become sin 40 degree divided by sin 20 degree. Now 2 sin 40 minus sin 40 will be sin 40 minus sin 80 divided by sin 20 degree. Now we have another identity, that is sin A minus sin B is equal to cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So this we will apply here. So it will become sin 40 minus sin 80. So we consider A is equal to 40 degree and B is equal to 80 degree. So it will become 2 cos 40 plus 80 by 2 into sin 40 minus 80 by 2, and there will be sin 20 degree at the denominator. Now this will become 2 into cos 120 by 2, so this will be cos 60 degree into sin 40 minus 80 means minus 40 degrees, so there will be a minus sign here, and 40 degree by 2 will be sin 20 degree divided by sin 20 degree. As sin 20 degrees value is greater than 0, so this and this will be cancelled out, and this will be cos 60's value will be half, so the value will be minus 1. which is the answer.